Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I'm excited to bring you this video here. Has to do with the 10th gen Honda Accord. I did a video on this years back, and it's a really great product that'll help a huge problem with the 10th gen Honda Accord that I wanted to share with you. Exciting news, got a great deal coming up for you guys. So definitely stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what I have. So here's my car right when I traded it in. It's a 2020 2.0 Accord Sport. But I have exciting news. If you guys remember, I put the Rimgard wheel locks on it. Great wheel locks. These wheels are highly stolen. If you guys remember that these things are always getting stolen, these sport wheels, for whatever reason. But I put rim guards on, guys. I really enjoyed them. They're a great wheel lock. And right now, the company is offering $100 off, which is a great deal for these guys. You get everything you need. It's definitely a unique setup that'll stop your wheels from being stolen. Like I said, it happens all the time. People love those wheels. So why not get some peace of mind and help protect your investment? So if you guys never seen these, let me show you exactly what you get with the kit here. I wish they made them for the Acura. They don't make them for this car yet, but hopefully they do soon. I'll definitely put them on. So here's what you get. It's a full, complete kit. And like I said, right now, $100 off is a great deal. And they're a very high quality wheel lock that'll do the job. So you get the 4 wheel locks here, and they fit perfectly, and they're super heavy duty too. So here's what they look like. I like how they go over all the lug nuts too. So no lug nut will be exposed when you put these on, which is what I like. Great design. They make a great product. They've sold thousands of these. And right now, like I said, they're offering $100 off. And the bad part is that they are discontinuing this wheel lock because they're focusing on the new Accord. So if you're interested in this, I would highly recommend picking these up now, because once they're gone, they're gone. So that's the reason for the $100 off as well. So keep that in mind. If you're on the fence about them, I would go ahead and get some wheel locks. If you live in an area that theft's high, definitely get them, protect your car. The amount you're gonna pay for these wheel locks, way cheaper than paying a deductible for your insurance and trying to get new wheels and the damage and all that kind of stuff. So I'll put a link in the description, guys. Definitely check them out. Now here's the video I did a while back. It's the original video. If you want to watch this, if you haven't seen them, you can watch me install them on the actual Honda Accord. But like I said, I'd highly recommend going over there and picking the set up. It's a great time right now, being $100 off, and they won't have them anymore. Gotten it out there, and then you take like a cup and you sandwich it to the center cap. Push it down really hard. Okay, I'll show you what I did here. So this is what you do. You see how it sticks to the cup? You just take a cup, you put a little bit on the center cap, put the cup on the center cap, and then pull really fast. It's the quick motion that's gonna pop it. You just pull really fast and it pops it right off. I was amazed. I was amazed how fast it came off. No having to take your wheel off or damage it with a screwdriver. It's all you do and you pull it and it comes right off. So really cool stuff. It's really strong putty. I don't know if you can use any putty, but what they give you, that's what you use. And just save that aside, and then this is enough to do all the other wheels too. So, okay? So that's step 1. Now you have your center cap off, okay? Step 2, you gotta take this off the center cap, okay? And you have this piece here. All you do is you put it in here and you keep unscrewing it, and that whole mechanism will drop off the back. Okay, there you go. There's the locking ring, what you need. Very simple. It's a simple design. It really is. Okay, you see here how it opens up? Okay, you're gonna have to open it like this. Okay, and you fit that, the bigger side right there, you fit that in first. Okay, fit it in there and you close the ring on it, just like that. Okay, see if I can show you here. And they tell you here,
you should line up one of the notches on it with one of the lug nuts. Just helps lining everything up, okay? So I'll show you here what you can do. So see this, you can spin it, and then it locks in place like that. That's what prevents it from turning and sliding until you get the whole thing put together. So it doesn't matter which lug nut you're lining it up with, it just helps when you put everything together. It's not crucial. You'll notice this only goes in one way. The locking ring, when you try, it won't go in the other way. The ears won't tuck under. So that's all you do, guys, with that. Okay? So you got that in place and you aligned it right. Okay? And it's got to have movement on it. Don't worry about that. This is just setting it up. This is kind of the base so the locking mechanism can attach to. Okay? So now what you're going to do, you're going to take this device. Okay? And it's got to go over. And even see, I have the locking lug here. It's nice because this even fits over the top of it. So it's kind of like double here. If a thief ever breaks through this, there's still a locking lug nut. Now, some lug nuts, depends what kind of car you have. They have this for Tesla. They have a ton of vehicles. It might not fit a locking lug. So just FYI, if you have a locking lug and it doesn't fit, you have to go back to the standard lug for that, okay? So you just check it. You'll know if it slides over the top of it. The Honda locking lugs are really slim, so I'm happy that this will fit. I don't have to mess with that and retorque the lug or anything. Okay, so you're going to take this now, and you see just the same way you took it off, it's kind of reversing the process. So you set it up, and you want that notch on the top. If you see there's a notch on that, a little cutout on that ring, you want that toward the top, okay? Now you just keep tightening it. And there's no torquing on here, so all you're going to do is keep tightening it, hand tightening it till you can't get any more. You feel how that moves, keep tightening it. And you kind of want to hold that union right there centered up, okay? Because it does have a little play, so you can tighten it to one side. Just kind of center it up there over the lugs. Just keep tightening it down, okay? It should be pretty snug by now. Then you're going to take a little Allen key they give you right here. Like I said, everything's included. You don't need to go find anything or the right size, okay? And now you're going to tighten this, hand tight. Now, you don't need to go crazy and crank this thing down there, but you want to snug it. You want to, once it gets where you can't turn anymore, give it one little last tug on it. Okay, and that's all you want, because all this is doing is tightening everything together on it. Okay, so tighten that really good. It's tight. Okay, I'll give it one last snug here. So nothing crazy. They say the maximum torque they even want on it is 50. So that's not much. So, sorry for the picture of my elbow. Okay, nice and snug. It's tight. It's not going anywhere. And as you guys see, it flows. And like I said, they have this in silver too. So if you have like the EX 17-inch wheels or it's 18-inch wheels, whatever that comes with, you can order the silver color. But I like the black, especially since I'm planning on blacking these wheels out again. It just flows. Okay? So if you could see there, you kind of see how it's all centered up. If you see it's over one side too much, loosen it up, kind of hold it centered as you tighten it. And then as it clamps down, then it'll be good. You know, that's the only thing you have to do. Okay? So that's how it's going to look. And now you just need to put the lock inside. There's the lock. You get 4 locks, of course. And you just take the key. You're going to want to make sure it's unlocked. Okay? So you unlock it. It'll slide right in. And those teeth will slide right in. Then you spin it again to lock it to the red. And the key will come right out. It's done. Simple as that. Doesn't go anywhere. Now you take your center cap. See here the key? Open. Comes out. Great design. Like I said, it's very simple. It's what a lot of cars are doing now too, if you notice. You can't see any lug nuts on their wheels. There's just a center cap. It's the same type of design. Someone said that the Audi is doing this to their wheels. So it's definitely a deterrent because you have to access the lug nuts to try to get the wheel off. So again, the lock has to go in. The biggest thing I can tell you is make sure it's locked. Put it in. It's done. Very simple. And the keys are nice keys, are thick. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now take your center cap that you took off, center it up here, smash it in. Try to even it out so you don't break an ear on it. Done. That's insulation. Like I said, without doing this video, probably less than 5 minutes that you can do it. That's even taking the center cap off. But check that out, guys. By glancing at it, you can't even tell. The only thing you can notice is the Honda emblem, or the center cap, is pushed out a little bit. It's on top of the Union, that's it. But it looks really nice. And like I said, the biggest thing with this kit is it'll save you from getting your wheels stolen. No thief is going to want to go through the trouble trying to hammer this off and break it, and then still have to get the lug nuts off after that. You know, the material it's made out of is going to make it nearly impossible to break. Okay, that's why I was so fond of this.
So guys, like I said, highly recommend these. Being discounted right now and discontinued, you won't be able to get them much longer. So if you're interested, check the link in the description, guys. Save yourself $100 for the set. And like I said, I really stand behind these products. They're really great. Everyone that has them loves them. They're a great product. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and be able to save you guys some money while you pick up a great product as well. So again, thanks everybody. I appreciate the support. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again.